speed because this is starting. We are going a bit slow. Okay. Santoshi, are you comfortable to do all the three? Oh, she cannot hear me.
For a change, I will do it, madam.
Do, sir. Will you please do? Yeah. Yes, sir. Please start. Yeah.
Shuklam Bharadaram Vishnum Sasivarnam Saturpujam Prasanna Vadanam Dhyaye Sarva Viknopashantaye Guru Brahma Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambam Karishyamami Siddhir Bhavatsu Mi Sada Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Mageshwaraha Guru Sashat Param Brahma Tasmai Sri Guruve Namaha Sri Gurubhyo Namaha.
Yes, sir. Nice. So next week,
I think we are complete with Shuklam Bharadaram, madam.
Yes, sir. We'll start with Shuklam Bharadaram and Vyasam Vasishnamtaram. Now onwards, all of us, all whoever has joined, will take turns. Yes, sir. We start with Shuklam Bharadaram.
Shuklam together.
Yes. Yeah, together. Shuklam Bharadaram Shashivarnam Chaturpujam Prasannavadanam Dhyaye Sarva Vignopashantaye
Vyasam Vasishthanaptaram Sakte Pautramakalmasham Parasaratmajam Bante Sugadadam Taponidim.
Sai? Let them continue. Sai? Vyasam?
Ma'am?
Vyasam Vasishthanaptaram.
Vyasam Vasishthanaptaram Shakte Pautramakalmasham Parasharatmajamande Sugatatam Taboniti Vyasai.
1 second, Kanna. Continue, Kanna. She is not. Okay, Rupesh, who is this? Ma'am, what's your name?
Uma.
Uma, ma'am. Will you continue? Vyasaya? Yes.
Vyasaya Vishnurupaya Vyasarupaya Vishnave Namo Vai Brahmanitaye Vasishtaya Namo Namaha.
It is Vasishtaya Namo Namaha.
Sorry.
Yeah. Then,
thank you.
Continue. Avikaraya?
Avikaraya Shuddhaya Nityaya Paramatmane Sadaikarupa Rupaya Vishnave Sarvajishnave.
Sir? Yes.
Yes, Varna Matrena Janma Samsara Bandhanat Vimuchyade Namastasmai Vishnave Paraba Vishnave Om Namo Vishnave Prabha Vishnave.
Yes, sir. New today's shlokam Shri Vaishampayana Uvacha.
Shri Vaishampayana Uvacha.
Shrutva dharma naseshena pavanani cha sarvashaha. Yeah.
Shrutva dharma naseshena pavanani sa sarvasavaha.
Uma ma'am. Shri Vaishampayana Uvacha. Will you repeat after me, Uma ma'am?
Sorry, I am mute, ma.
Shri Vaishampayana Uvacha.
Shri Vaishambhasa Upasa.
Vaishampayana Uvacha. Shri Vaishampayana
Uvacha. I think Uma madam may not have the book with her.
Oh.
Okay, I will copy and send it to you in next class. Okay, sorry.
Okay, ma'am. I have
Before the
two.
class, I'll do it.
She can repeat after me now. Shrutva dharma
Shrutva dharma
na seshena
na sheshena
pavanani cha sarvashah.
pavanani sa sarvasaga.
Sai Sri Vaishampayana Uvacha.
Ma'am, page number.
Page number 5. Top.
Shri
Shrutva.
You have to read the big one. Shri Vaishampayana Uvacha.
Shri Vaisampaya Uvacha.
Shrutva dharma.
Shrutva dharmana sheshana
Pavanani cha sarvashah.
bhavanani sa sarvashah.
Again, Shri Vaishampayana. Again you say.
Shri Vaishampayana Uvacha. Shrutva dharmana sheshana bhavanani sa sarvashah.
Sarvasaga.
One second. Can you please come after half an hour? I'm in one more class, okay? Yeah. Yes, sir. Santoshi, will you tell?
ஓகே மேம் இதுவா மேம் இப்ப சொல்லி தந்தீங்களே மேம் அதுவா மேம்
Same. Sri Vaisampaya. Fifth page.
ஸ்ரீ வைஷம்பாவ உவாசா ஸ்ருத்ரவ
Correctly. Vaishampayana.
ஸ்ரீ வைஷம்பாயன உவாசா ருத்ரவா தர்ம நசேஷன பாவனானி शश्वहे मैम
cha is a separate sound. Pavanani cha sarvashah. Pavanani sarvashah.
पावनानि शर्षवा
सर्वशः सर्वशः. Yeah. Now read again, please. Sri Vaishampayana Uvacha.
श्री वैशंपायन उवासा रुद्रव धर्म नहेशना पावनानि सर्वहे.
Please listen well. Shri Vaishampayana Uvacha Shrutva dharma na seshena pavanani cha sarvashah.
Sarvashah.
Those two dots are there, no? That is ha sound. Sarvashah.
Sarvashah.
Can you say again? Sri Vaishampayana Uvacha.
Shri Vaishampayana Uvasa. Irutva dharmane sheshana pavanani shashvahe. Sarvahe. Sarvashah.
You please have a pencil with you and you can write down the sound. Sarvashah. Yes.
Sarvasaga.
S-A-R-V-A. Sarvashah. S-H-A. S-A-R-V-A. Sarvashah.
I will read once, madam. Sri Vaisampayana Uvasa Shrutva dharma nasheshena pavanani sarvasaga.
Yes, sir. Sri Vaishampayana
Uvasa.
Umaji?
Ma'am.
You can repeat after me. Sri Vaishampayana Uvacha.
Sri Vaishampayana Upasa.
Shrutva dharma.
Shrutva dharma.
Na seshena.
Na sheshena.
Pavanani.
Pavanani.
Cha sarvashuka.
Cha sarvataha.
Correct. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yudhishthiraha. Next one. Yudhishthiraha.
Yudhishthiraha.
Shantanavam.
Shantanavam.
Punarevabhya.
Punarevapya.
Bhashata.
Bhashata.
Yudhishthiraha. Yudhishthiraha. Yudhishthira is the eldest of the Pandavas. Yudhishthiraha Shantanavam. Punarevabhya.
Punarevapya.
Bhashata.
Bhashata.
Sai, will you try? Yudhishthiraha.
Yes, ma'am. Yudhishthiraha Shantanavam.
Good.
Punarevapya Bhashada.
Punarevabhya. Okay. Punarevabhya. Bhashata.
Yudhishthiraha Shantanavam Punarevapya Bhashadaha. Bhashada.
Yes, sir. Bhashata. No, the two dots are.
Will not come.
Santoshi, Yudhishthira. Santoshi?
மேம் இன்னும் ஒரு வாட்டி சொல்றீங்களா மேம்?
Sandama. Follow.
Shantanavam Punarevapya Bhashada.
Yudhishthiraha Shantanavam Punarevabhya Bhashada. Yudhishthira. Yudhi. Y-U-D-H. Yudhi. Try Kanna. It's if there is a mistake, correct always.
Santosh, you try. You have the book, no?
Ma'am, can I
Okay,
try?
sir.
Yeah. Yes, madam.
Yes.
Thank you much.
Yes. Yudhishthiraha Shantanavam Punarevapya Bhashada.
Yes, good. Will you try both the lines, Umaji? Do you have the book or how? You are repeating after me, no? Okay. Sai, can you read both the lines?
Ma'am.
Dharma, can you read full both the lines? Shrutva dharma.
Yes, ma'am.
Both the lines.
Shri Vaishampayana Uvacha Shrutva Dharmana Sheshana Bhavanani Sarvashaha Yudhishthiraha Shantanavam Punarevapya Bhashata.
Santoshi?
Vaishampayanavasha Shrutva Dharma Nasheshena Pavanani Sarvasaha Yudhishthiraha Shantanavam Punarevapya Bhashada.
Santoshi, now you say, ma.
Shri Vaishampayana Uvasa Rudrava Dharma Nasheshana Bhavanani Sarvashahe Yudhishthira Shantanavam Punarevapya Bhashade.
Now what we are supposed to do is we have to join with the before shlokam and learn this so that we will get a good flow. Yasya smarana matrena janma samsara bandhanat vimuchyate namastasmai vishnave prabha vishnave. Om namo vishnave prabha vishnave. Shri Vaishampayana uvacha So immediately after Prabha Vishnave, you get that Vaishampayana Uvacha. Okay? Will you say, Sai? Go back to the before shlokam, Yasya Smarana. Sai?
Yes, ma'am.
Say from Yasya Smarana till Punarevabhya Bachita.
यस्य स्मरणमात्रेण जन्म संसार बन्धनात् विमुच्यते नमस्तस्मै विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे ओम नमो विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे श्रीवैशम्पायन उवाच श्रुत्वा धर्मानशेषण भावनानि सर्वशः युधिष्ठिरशान्तनवं पुनरेवाप्यभाषत
यस्य मरणमात्रेण जन्म संसार बन्धनात् विमुच्यते नमस्तस्मै विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे ओम नमो विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे श्रीवैशम्पायन उवाच श्रुत्वा धर्मनाशेषेण पावनानि सर्वशः युधिष्ठिरः शान्तनवं पुनरेवाप्यभाषत.
Santoshi, will you say like that? Yasya Smarana.
यस्य स्वरण मात्रने जश्मश्र मैम
Janma samsara. You should split the word with a pencil. Janma. Whenever the word is big, we'll try to split it. Janma samsara bandhanat. Okay? Yeah.
ओके मैम जन्म संसार बंधनात् विमुचयेत् नमस्तमै विष्णवे प्रभ विष्णवे ओम नमो विष्णवे प्रभ विष्णवे
Good.
श्री वैशम्पायन उवाच रुद्रव धर्म नशेषण पावनानि सर्व हे युधिष्ठिर शान्तनवं पुनरवाप्य पश्चादे
Punarivapya bhashata. Okay. Umaji?
Yes, ma'am. यस्मरणमात्रेण जन्म संसार बन्धनात् विमुच्यते नमस्तस्मै विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे ओम नमो विष्णवे प्रभविष्णवे श्रीवैशम्पायन उवाचां रुद्रधर्मनाशेषेण पावनाति सर्वशः युधिष्ठिरः शान्तनवं पुनरेवाप्यभाषत.
Good, right? All of you please note Shrutva, SHRUTA, Shrutva, and then Yudhishthiraha. Okay. Next pattern it will be like this. As you say more times, you'll get it easily. Okay. Yudhishthira uvacha. Next one. Yudhishthira uvacha. किमेकं दैवतं लोके किं वाप्येकं परायणं किं वाप्येकं परायणं. Santoshi, will you repeat? Kim vapyekam parayanam. Kimekam daivatam loke. Kim vapyekam parayanam.
इमेगं दैवतं लोके किं वाप्येकं परायणम्
Yudhishthira Uvasa
We have these 3 lines.
Daivatam Loke Nivapyekam Parayanam
Parayana uvacha Shrutva dharmadashishena Pava किमेकं दैवतं लोके किं वाप्येकं परायणम्. So these 3 lines you can learn by next week. We need to say one shlokam before we conclude this. We are asking apologies to Lord Narayana if at all we make any spelling mistakes or pronunciation mistakes. Yadakshara, please repeat after me, all of you together. Yadakshara
Yadakshara
Padabhrashtam
Padabrashyam
Matra
मात्राः
Matra
Hinantu
हीनन्तु
Yad Bhavet
यद् भवेत्
Tatsarvam
तत्सर्गं
Tatsarvam Shamyatam
क्षम्यतां
Devanarayana
देवनारायण
Namostute
पुष्पस्तुते
Namostute.
नमोस्तुते.
Now Narayana 8 times, then we will do Sahanavavatu Shlokam. With that we will stop. Slowly, calmly, let's close our mind, our eyes, and then say nicely Narayana 8 times. Narayana.
नारायण 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 नारायण
Narayana, Narayana. Krishna, Sri Krishna,
श्रीकृष्ण
Krishna
Govinda,
गोविन्द
Govinda
Hare Murare,
हरे
Hare Murare
Srinatha,
श्रीनाथ
Srinada
Narayana,
नारायण
Narayana
Vasudeva.
वासुदेव
Vasudeva
Okay. Om
ओम
Sahana Bhavatu.
Bhavasu
You do Santoshi? Sahanau Bhunaktu.
Sahanau
Aviryam
Sahaviryam
Saravavahai
Saravahe
Tejasvi
Tejasvi
Navadiyamastu
Navadi
Namastu
Mavidvi
Mavidvi
Savahai
शावके
Navadvi
Shadahe
शांति
Shanti
शांति
Om Shanti.
Santoshi, you know this sloka, na? Do
Ma'am?
you know Om Sahana Bhavatu? You know this? Sloka?
Yes, ma'am.
मैडम ओम सखना भवस्तु
Bhavatu
सगना भुनस्तु सगवीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्वी नावरीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ओम शांति 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 है.
Yes, sir. So today's 3 lines I will send audio record and also individual word spelling.
Okay.
Practice every day. Dhanyavada.
Thank you.
தேங்க்யூ மேம்.
தேங்க்யூ மேம்.
தேங்க்யூ சார்.